Hello everyone, and today I will be showing you how to install some of these TOMIX TN couplers to an E235 unit. I recently got about 4 packets of these just to replace the Rapido-style couplings on these units. I've already done some of them, but I'll just show you how to do these ones, just in case anyone wants to know. Now the tools you're going to need for this are a cradle. That's optional, I suppose. Pair of tweezers, fine tweezers. Hobby knife, which is optional. Screwdriver, which is mandatory. And some cutters, plastic cutters, which are also mandatory. And you'll also need your couplers. You can get these in packs of 2 or packs of 6 like I have. You definitely want to count the amount of couplers that you actually need before you buy them though. With the couplers out of the package, the first thing you're going to want to do is flip this over. And as you can see, the way that these are designed or built is that the couplings are directly on the bogies. So all we need to do is just take them off, cut them off, and then they've handily included some attachment points for the couplers on each end of the unit. Now I've already done one of these, but I will show you how to replace the coupler on this side of the unit. First thing you want to do is just take the screw out of the bogie, put that aside, and this is where your tweezers come in handy. Because you want to take this bogie off, and then you want to take these springs that are under each of the bogies, put them somewhere safe. And the next thing you want to do is just take your plastic cutters and just snip the old coupler off. You don't need to keep it. You can if you want, but they're not really of use to us anymore. And then all you have to do is get your TN coupler. You can see that there are holes for attachment here on the sides. They go in here. Just line it up there. Make sure they snap in good. As you can see, it's flush there to the body, so it's in. And then to reassemble, all you have to do is just get the bogie oriented up. Get your tweezers. Put the contact springs back in, which is a little fiddly. Make sure not to lose these unless you have spares, which I don't. All you really want to do is just line up the hole on the bogie to the hole on the coach body. Flip it over, and then all you have to do is just screw the bogie back in. And there we go. This carriage has been converted. And now this is representative of all the unpowered normal carriages on this set, but I will also show you the powered unit and the end unit as well. And for demonstration's sake, here is the power unit. And these are about the same, except actually they're a little easier. Because all you have to do to disassemble these is get your nail in under there, lever up, with the bogies, and they will just come out. And the springs are attached in here, so you don't need to worry about those, but these have the same attachment points, and really all you have to do is just do the same thing as the other bogies. Cut off the old coupler, put the new one on, and snap the bogie back into place. Easy as that. Another thing I like to do when I have them on the table like this is just to clean and lubricate the wheels, which isn't too hard. You can just use a cotton bud, some IPA, and light model railway oil. But as with all N-scale stuff, you really want to be cleaning the wheels pretty frequently, because they get dirty much more quickly than HO or 00. These wheels aren't too dirty, but I'll just do it just in case. And now actually here's the last one I have to do. It's an end unit. And of course this one only has one coupler for me to install, so the other one I don't need to worry about. And we're done. And here we are down on the layout. As you can see, it's running perfectly. Also, as you can see, the gaps between all the carriages are absolutely minimal. Yeah, I'm very happy with that. Well, that'll be it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Subscribe for more, and I will be posting more showcases, reviews and tutorials and things like that of all Japanese N-scale stuff, so make sure to like and subscribe if you want to see more of that, and I'll see you all next time.